In the heart of western Kenya, just outside Kisumu, a mystical formation rises from the land like a monument carved by time. This is Kit Mikayi, a sacred rock cloaked in legend, spirit, and the soul of the Luo people. Standing nearly 70 feet tall, Kit Mikayi, meaning stone of the first wife in Doluo, is more than a geological marvel. It's a spiritual sanctuary, a place where myth, nature, and tradition intertwine. Legend tells of an old man named Mikayi who was so enchanted by this rock that he spent all his time inside its caves. His wife would say, "He has gone to be with his first wife, the stone." And so the name Kit Mikayi was born, symbolizing loyalty, love, and the deep bond between man and earth. To this day, Kit Mikayi is a place of prayer and pilgrimage. Locals come to fast, to seek blessings, and to connect with ancestors. For the Luo community, this rock isn't just sacred, it's alive with spirit and story. Each crevice has meaning. Every shadow tells a tale passed down through generations, of creation, love, unity, and the enduring power of tradition. Kit Mikayi is not just a stop on a map, it's a living symbol of Kenya's cultural depth, a monument to folklore, faith, and identity, standing tall, untouched, and unwavering. In the language of stones and stories, Kit Mikayi reminds us some places hold more than history. They hold the heart of a people.